Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna make the drink for the body ache and pain. First I have turmeric. Second I have pineapple, fresh pineapple. And the third I have black pepper. Because this says this is good for pain, back pain, the muscle pain, thing like that. So to go started, I'm gonna go ahead and put the turmeric in here. This turmeric right here, you're going to Chinese market. They call Great Wall, GW market. They sell this turmeric. Not every market sell. Depends somebody sell, but I will plant my own this year. I'm gonna go ahead and put the black pepper just a little bit, not much, just a little bit, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put pineapple. The pineapple is a make the flavor and good sweetness, and they say that fixing your joint pain at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Especially quart, pineapple quart right here, I don't throw away, I keep them. I'm gonna go ahead and put in here 1 or 2, just like that, guy. And clean water, spring water, just make enough for today. I'm gonna make this every day, so it's easy and simple, guys. Try it. If you have to have turmeric, okay, because they all go together. Basically just like a smoothie, medicine smoothie. Benefit for body ache and pain, guys. I have to do this because my body's so pain, and I'm gonna do this. Let's go start blending. Done. Take this off, put in a cup. Let's go drink. Smell good. You can smell spicy of black pepper and pineapple. Of course, turmeric. It smells creamy and powerful. 1 cup, just like that. I could drink every day, every morning. 1 cup every morning. See if they can helping me, because this is the one. If you make the peel, that's what they do. This right here, I tell you guys, that's how they make from that too. This peel I order. It take very slow to heal me, to stop pain. You don't really do anything much, so I gotta make original. I want to let you see. If I take out the peel, that's what they do, the same. See, turmeric, pineapple, whatever they put in there, even they put pineapple picture in there too. That's what they make, but they're not very powerful to heal you just like that. And the yellow like this turmeric, so why I don't make this original and fresh one, guys? Same thing, right? Original and fresh, it tastes better. There you go. This is what exactly they make from exactly what I'm doing right now. I ordered this one, but the pain don't go away yet. It takes a little too much time to fix myself. I'm gonna go fresh. Okay, let's go drink. There you go. Ready to drink, guys. I will let you know how that tastes. That's taste. Cheers, guys, for your health, for my health, and you. Same, if you're pain, you can do like the I do. Tastes good. Tastes good. Pineapple, of course, turmeric taste, and hot pepper. I mean, black pepper. Thank you for watching, and see you next video. Thank you. If you follow me, I will show you more and more things can do for our body.